Are you looking for a shipping, logistics, cargo or delivery website for your business? Or an agency, blog or versatile shipping website for your logistics company? Introducing Shipping TNC, the best Webflow logistics shipping template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com. Here, you need to search Shipping TNC. Take a look at our Shipping TNC template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of Shipping TNC. Shipping TNC has a trendy, elegant, and modern design that lets you easily add your own touch to make your website shine. This Webflow template contains all the elements, pages, and sections a shipping or logistics company website should have. You can easily highlight different shipping methods and their delivery timelines and costs. This ensures customers choose the delivery option that best suits their needs. Present your shipping business information in the best format with clear headings, bullet points, and icons for easy readability. Manage your shipping services, case studies, blog and team members easily with the powerful CMS integration. Showcase perfect delivery timelines and shipping methods and the accuracy of your shipping services. This Webflow template acts as your logistics partner. Clearly display your return and refund policy. This provides customer transparency and simplifies your returns process. This user-friendly template ensures a smooth and informative experience for your website visitors. Let's explore our blog page. Our impressive blog showcase can help the users and give a perfect guide, so that they can easily attract and take your services. This blog page is also properly designed so that visitors can find and read the blog they're looking for. Apart from this, here you will find many more pages. Let's explore our case study page. This page displays all the shipping process beautifully and your customers will get a perfect solution to avail your services. Then, you will get 2 different home pages. You can choose from various stylish and customizable home page designs to perfectly match your business. This page has the same elements, sections, animations as homepage 1, but with a new style. Whether you have an international logistics company, an experienced shipping business, or a startup agency, Shipping TNC is the perfect solution to create a website that inspires and drives your clients. Now, let's see how to use Shipping TNC. This is our template Shipping TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here, I replaced this name from About Us with Our Shipping Process. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button, and it shows all the options for edit this button. Have a look, I changed the button name from Request a Quote to Click Here. You can also change the button link, page connection, open type, or URL. After that, you can easily change this hero image by clicking on Replace Image option. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNcode. You can easily change, edit, or delete any text or image in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. This is our blog section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, or delete any of these content or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video, or I can attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. Here, I rewrite this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each social link or icon. So you can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow shipping logistics template, get Shipping TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.